wanted to come on here briefly and just say thank you to everybody who has been watching our videos, and to tell you guys, or ask you guys, should I say respectfully, to please go check out our most recent uploads, our new shorts, our new videos, or the most recent lives that we did. Guys, go view our channel and go check out our channel. And please, if you like what you see on that page and on our YouTube videos, please guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our channel is My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. We are a big family, and we are from Massachusetts, guys, and we are crazy. We daily upload, we daily vlog, and we post on a daily basis. So please go check us out, guys. And if you're looking for a channel to keep you constantly entertained, to keep you constantly in the know, and to constantly drop uploads on you guys on a daily basis, weekly basis, please guys, get subscribed, and don't forget to share this video and tell somebody all about it. Once again, that channel is My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Hashtag My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, at My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. And welcome to my new subscribers who have decided to join our channel, who have decided to come over here and give us a shot. Thank you so much for the love and appreciation on this channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and thank you to my members. I want to thank all my members who are on my channel. If you take the extra initiative to pay for a membership, guys, we want to thank you, because we do have members only videos and membership only content. So please feel free to go check out our membership and see if you would like to become a member on My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, guys. Please don't forget to comment on our videos. We look forward to your commentary. We look forward to your interaction on this channel, and we look forward to you guys pushing us through the algorithm to let everybody who's not subscribed, or everybody who don't know about our channel, to check us out. I want to thank you guys so much for being there for us. I want to say a happy Wednesday to you, and I also want to, like I said, bring back our natural essence and vibe, which is, if today is your birthday and you're celebrating a birthday on this January 28th, 2025, guys, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. If I made a mistake in any uploads and said January 2024, please forgive me, because we are in 2025 year, so I don't want to make that mistake. And I know in the beginning of a new year, we constantly will do that. But I would like to say, if today's your birthday, January 28th, 2025, happy birthday to you. If you're celebrating an anniversary, a special day on this January 28th, 2025, happy anniversary to you. Please allow me to take a sip. My morning wake up call is my coffee, guys. You probably can't see it from the glare, but and if you just joined our channel,